My name is Jamie Martin. I'm the service advisor here at Orinda Motors. The company has been here since 1925. We've been doing business in Orinda for nearly 100 years. We're a full-service, modern-day maintenance facility. We service all the people of Orinda and all the modern vehicles, everything from flat tires to diagnostics, engine and tire repairs. We can pretty much do everything. There's many aspects of Orinda Motors that really make us shine and stand apart. We've really evolved with the automotive industry, all of the technology it brings. I've got 4 technicians. They've got a combined of 60 years of experience in the shop. Our service writers up top have a combined experience of a little over 40 years. We have the latest technology and tools and services and equipment. We offer only the highest quality parts. We back everything up with a 24-month, 2-year warranty. So the technicians are all ASE certified. Each technician attends a minimum of 20 hours per quarter of training. We have the most current knowledge to diagnose and repair your vehicle correctly. We're Diamond certified, and we have been for over 20 years with like a 94% loyalty rate. We're Better Business Bureau approved. We've received Business of the Year for the Contra Costa County many times. We've received Business of the Year for the City of Orinda. We're a certified green business. I've really lost track of how many times I've actually helped people. New vehicles that come in with big major problems, and in doing some research and finding some extended warranties that a lot of shops just kind of oversee just to get the job done, we were able to save our customers thousands of dollars just by extended warranties by the research. Orinda is being a small town. There's a lot of people that rely on us for more than just automotive needs. I had one lady that called me up one night after her daughter borrowed her car, and she had pulled the e-brake so tight that she couldn't undo it. So I had to go to her house after work to undo her e-brake. So those are the little things that we do for people just to be here, to be in Orinda. Fixing a car means I have a problem, this needs to be addressed. Repairing a vehicle means, yes, you have a problem, but this problem was caused by X, Y, and Z. This is how you're going to repair this problem so this doesn't happen again. What separates Orinda Motors from other repair facilities is the ethics that encompasses Orinda Motors. We don't just fix cars, we repair vehicles, and have been doing so in Orinda for nearly 100 years. Words with no action have no meaning. We do what we say, and you get what you're promised. Come to Orinda Motors and experience the difference.